What's good, YouTube? This your boy, the finesse guy, do-rag diggy, whatever you want to call me today. I have my do-rag on, just got my hair done. I'm trying to keep this preserved and shit. So, it's your boy, finesse guy, Iggy Diggity J Diggy, 90 motherfucker 2, coming at y'all with some more unboxings and shit. So yeah, we're gonna make this shit short, sweet, simple. It's a lot of shit over here. Yeah, man. I'm gonna get y'all up out of here. So, we got a few packs. We got a few clothing items. And as always, we got some motherfucking cheese. But nah, man. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, that like button, subscribe, and let's go ahead and get into this first thing. So, this first pack, it's not, I guess you can call it like merch, I guess you can say it's merch. From Badu World. I'll put the title on screen or something like that. But yeah, it's this fat ass hoodie that I probably could have made myself. I don't know though. The material's kind of nice. So all it is this fat ass Erykah Badu hoodie. This shit fire. I ain't gonna fake. Now that I feel it, it was expensive, but like it's kind of dope. Like it got Badu on the hood and shit. So don't be surprised you see me wearing this shit sometime soon. You know what I'm saying? I'm actually look like the movie Dead Presidents and shit. I'm mad. That's exactly how this shit look. But that's Erykah Badu fine ass. Let me stop. But no, so there's that. When I say that shit was expensive, ain't no receipt in that bitch, but that shit was like 90. Come on. That shit was like 90 something. So it's up there for a hoodie, but the materials and quality now I kind of understand why. So that's the first thing. You wanna say hi? To them, not me. Okay, I gotta finish. Alright, so there's that one. Next up is coming from, I guess they not Chinatown Market anymore, they just call Market, I guess. People are kind of upset with them about that. So they was like, man, y'all ain't the same, y'all trash. Ever since y'all changed y'all name from Chinatown Market, y'all niggas is ass now. I'm sorry, I was pushing you. Sorry. So, this is what I got. Shouts out to Erykah Badu again. Booby. I love you too. I loved you and I missed you this weekend. Okay? We're gonna have fun, okay? Okay? Not this niggas. She swear up and down she my girlfriend. But now so shouts out to Erykah Badu again because they dropped another Erykah Badu collab. So I copped that bitch. Like, I don't know if y'all know, but like I got the biggest. It's like Whitney Houston first, then Erykah Badu said, "Oh, this is nice. This is nice. Oh, this is nice. I like this." Nah, but like Whitney Houston is first, Erykah Badu is second. Like the females that I fuck with in this so-called like musical game. So I just copped this one. I ain't gonna fake. Shit be a little expensive, but not to hold you. I be using like that paying for shit because I be like honestly, I ain't a big ass YouTuber. The money I get from work be for bills, nigga. Like I don't get money from YouTube, so if there's a way I can still cop the things I like and just split it up in four, why not? You be a fool if you don't do that. You say what you want. I don't know if a lot of people do that. I don't know if people look down on it or whatever. But that shit's smart. Still cop the shit you want at an affordable price over time. Like you still end up paying what you paying, but they just broke it down into sections. Guns by the. It's like no. But nah. So next thing. Like I said, Badu Nation over here. This fat ass sweatshirt. This shit kind of thick. This shit thick. But nah, Erykah Badu on the front. I like the the Erykah Badu collab before this, like I copped the shirt. I forget which unboxing it was, but I copped the shirt, and I really like that one over this one. I think that was the Call Tyrone one. This one is cool, but I really like the pattern. Alright, so next up, so we ain't talking about Erykah Badu like any longer, cause I'm gonna fuck around. Savage Beauty gonna get upset. But so this next one we got is from the Nova of Fashion. I don't really shop there like that. Like, I'll do it if like I really need like some graphic tees or something, or I want to add more to my collection, or I see some shit I really like. But as for that, Fashion Nova ain't really my go-to like it used to be. So this next thing though, I seen it, I really liked it. Like, I had like 5 things in my cart, and it's rare for me to get one thing. And I was like, I'm really not trying to buy all this shit, but this one I must have. So it's like a Coach's jacket, right? On the front, Death Row Records, but on the back though, Death Row's in the motherfucking house. Death Row, let me know you up in here, bitch. So no, but I really fuck with it. I've been looking for some Death Row shit, just because I always fuck with Death Row. I always thought, like, as far as like groups go, Death Row was crazy, bro. Death Row was hard as shit. Like Dre, Snoop, and Pop, like, you can't beat that. I mean, yeah, Suge fucked it up, but it is what it is. At least that's how they did on the NWA movie. Suge fucked it up. So that's what I'm going with. The Suge fucked up Death Row. Mr. Suge Knight, sir, I don't want no smoke. I'm just bullshitting. This is for content. That's all. But nah. So yeah, I just copped that. It's rare I cop just one thing, but like I said, that's the only thing I really wanted, and I ain't wanted to sell out on me, so I did what I did. Alright, so next one from ASOS. Shouts out to ASOS. Didn't think this was gonna get here. I had a problem with the tracking. It was like an invalid tracking number they gave me, and like it was a whole big thing. And at one point I was like, nigga, I ain't never shopping with ASOS again. But then like they made it right and they sent me the right tracking information. So shouts out to ASOS for that one. I really appreciate it. But they had a crazy sale on this hoodie, and I may be the finesse god, but damn it, I'm the hoodie god too. So like, if I can get me a good hoodie, I'm gonna get me a good hoodie. So this hoodie right here retail is 65 smackaroos, man. Guess how much I paid for it? 25 bucks. I better not sleep on ASOS. I be telling y'all, a nice ass Puma hoodie for $25. Insulated inside too. Damn, this shit is kind of insulated. This shit might be hot as hell. I put this whole on. But nah, man. Like I said, Frugal Finesse Part 3. Y'all better go check that shit out. Your boy be getting y'all them steals and deals. Especially my college students. I know you get sick of wearing the same slides and eating ramen every day. But check that shit out. But nah, man. Coming near and dear to the end of this, we got another pack from Old Navy. Now, I should have put the other unboxing out first before this, so y'all know what I'm talking about. So, this is part 2 of that, I guess, package or whatever you want to call it. These are the sweatpants that go with that hoodie that was in that video. So, like, I got a whole set. Another one, pair of gray sweatpants. Now, look, I know what comes, the responsibilities and stuff that come with gray sweatpants, and I just want y'all to know that I will not let y'all down. Dick Prince is strong. I'm saying. Hey, y'all gonna have to edit that shit out. But I know what comes with wearing gray sweatpants, and trust me, I'm gonna do my best not to have my shit showing. So yeah, Savage Beauty don't be tripping off that shit, but I do. I don't want everybody just staring at my meats and shit. And then lastly, you want uppies again? Come on. And then lastly, who we talked about in the beginning of this video is making an appearance with her beautiful self. So, oh, not you, booby. You are beautiful though. You goofy. So yeah, this next one, shouts out to my boo thing. She just didn't know it. She didn't know it, but she my boo thing. It's this motherfucking Whitney Houston graphic. If I'm not mistaken, I think it looked like a Supreme collab that I've seen and almost copped. Like it looked like it, but I don't think it is. But it might be like the same picture and shit. So like, all y'all niggas that be buying Supreme graphic tees and shit, y'all can make them shit yourself. Y'all know that, right? Like, I get, like, if you just want it because you want to have some nice shit, I get it. But some of y'all be paying outrageous prices for the simplest of tees. I don't understand. But this is neither here nor there. Alright, so last package before we get into the shoes, actually coming from Savage Fenty. I'm pretty sure this ain't the first time y'all heard of them on here, but it's the first time I bought some clothes. So I'll pull these out. I wasn't gonna show them at first, cause I was like, it might be a little personal, but then I was like, nigga, not really. All it is some pants. So it's since it's getting colder out or whatever, and like I'm more of a like, I try to be vibey when I'm walking around the crib. Like I'm usually wearing matching sets and shit like that. So I went ahead and purchased these like the loungewear pants. These shits kind of see-through. I ain't gonna hold you. Like it's like snake skin and shit. Like I don't think I could really tell that it is, but like the print on here is like snake skin. It's like pythons and shits. So I got the red pair, which those look really nice. And then I wasn't gonna get the purple pair, but Savage Beauty said no. She said she liked the blue ones better. And now that I'm looking at them, since these are like teal more than blue, I kind of fuck with them hard too. But I think the purple ones would have been a little too light for my preference and liking. So y'all might be able to see the print a little better on here. But like it's that snake skin python look. Got both of these in size large. I just use their size guides on there. But yeah, man, ain't nothing wrong with treating yourself and making yourself feel nice and sexy. There's nothing wrong with feeling sexy. Women ain't the only ones to be sexy. Ain't that right, boo? We can be sexy. So, now that we done got all that shit out the way, let's get into the moment you've all been waiting for. You like the song? Man. So, shout out to Sneaker Steals, because this is why I was able to cop these. When on Sneaker Steals, I'll be browsing from time to time, and I seen these, and I was like, ain't no way that these just restocked, and ain't nobody saying nothing. I don't think most people know that they did, but I found out, so I copped. I wasn't the biggest fan of these anyway, but I was like, when it's like rare that I get a chance to buy like get the option to be like, do I want to buy these or what on a pair of J's? So we are breaking the streak of not buying Jordans, and we finally got another pair. But which pair did we get, baby? That's the thumbnail. But nah, so let's go ahead and pull these out. Lowly's interested. I got a little mini sneakerhead. I don't have a mini Dotson. I got a mini sneakerhead and shit. You want to see shoes? You want shoes? Okay, let's see. Yeah, let's see. Let's see what shoes Daddy got. I see him peeking through the paper. So, here we go. Blam, 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 blam. I know y'all can't see because the puppy's in the way. But, we got these Bordeaux 6s, man, for retail. That shit's crazy. A pair of Bordeaux 6s for fucking retail. Keep it a buck. I was not going to purchase these. I did not care about these. I got Bordeaux 7s. Hopefully I said 6s, not 7s. I got Bordeaux 7s already. I really didn't care about these shits when they dropped. I do like 6s, but it's just I ain't really give a fuck about these, because I was just like, I got the 7s. It's like I got the older brother. I don't need the younger brother. Like I got them. So like, but the fact that I was able to cop, I just went ahead and said fuck it. I was like, it ain't gonna hurt. So why not, right? Somebody lace these bitches to the gods. Like, look, they choked the fuck out of this shoe. But I don't know about doing an on-feet review. If somebody asks for it in the comments, of course I'll do it. But I'm thinking about maybe doing a comparison video or whatever. Just because I do like these and they are clean. So maybe that's what I'll do. But yeah, Bordeaux 6s for retail, which is fucking crazy. In a climate like this, that you get a retail pair of J's and they just sitting like these were, you will have to go to the Sneaker Steals site and click the link that they have, because I sent the link out to someone else, like my sister and stuff, to see if she wanted to cop, and she said the link wasn't working or something like that. So if you want to cop these for retail, they should still be available. When I checked out, they had hella sizes. Like, it was size like 7 through like 12, I think. So if you want to cop, just check out Sneaker Steals, and hopefully they still available. But yeah, man, I'm gonna go ahead and get up out of here. Me and Loli got shit to do. Oh, baby, me and Loli got shit to do. I got something very special dropping soon. Yeah, I just got a lot of shit dropping. Just stay tuned to the channel. I love y'all, man. Thank y'all for watching. Sorry this video so long. We just had hella shit to unbox. And yeah, man, I love y'all. Thank y'all for watching. And I will see y'all when I see y'all. Ooh, bro.